Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're gonna be doing an exhaust on the Ferrari F430. So this is pretty much a muffler delete, which is a fairly simple process. So already you can see in the engine bay right here, there's gonna be some kind of bolts on each side. There's like 4 on each side. It's a fairly straightforward process, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the one on the far right, as you can see, is a nut that was on there, and then there's another one on the top. These last 2 bolts are actually like a bolt on top with a nut on the bottom. So you're gonna need a socket or another kind of wrench, and you can just reach around from the side and pretty much get the socket on there and then be able to unscrew those. Just make sure you don't drop anything because you don't want it to fall down into the abyss. All right, so in order to get the nut off the underside of these bolts, the best thing to do from experience that we've learned is to take off like the lower part of the diffuser. There's just a series of these little screws that are just kind of right around the inside edge. You can see one right there.
And then I can reach in here to get the bottom of the screw and don't drop it.
Yep, so that makes the process way better, way like less riskier, because if you drop something, this is just like a ramp and it'll just hit and slide down and just go all the way up. So,
show them what we had to do.
Which that did end up happening. So you can see we had to drop that panel right there, which is right behind the door. So if you drop something, it's going all the way up. So just go ahead and make the process easier. Get a second person, undo that. One person reach in, one person unscrew, and there you go.
And grab it. Boom. Nice and easy.
All right, so now all the bolts and nuts are removed on both sides, and we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. And in theory, it should just come straight up and out.
All right, we'll see. Ha! What?
There we go, okay. Now it's out. But look at that difference though. That is insane, like how huge that is compared to the new ones.
This is stupid heavy compared to that.
Jeez. I mean, if you thought this was bad, I mean, look at the Audi R8, it's massive. But still, like, I'm sure this is like super dense, but a little bit of weight reduction in the back, and it's gonna sound a lot better with that removed. And so it also helps you use a PP blaster, like maybe a couple days prior, sprayed on where the bolts go. But once you do remove this, make sure you wipe all that up, because you definitely don't want all that down in your engine bay. You don't want it catching on fire or anything. So definitely make sure you clean it all up before you put the new exhaust on.
And it looks like they're exactly the same on top as bottom, so you don't have to worry about them going in any specific direction.
All right. Let's just put the gaskets in. Should be the easiest part of this whole process, hopefully. Now comes the most satisfying part.
Weigh nothing. I think my beer weighs more. Boom!
Wow, that looks amazing already.
Holy cow, we have so much room to get to everything right here.
Jeez. All right, so what you'll initially do is you want to make sure you put the nuts on like finger tight, because it is a little difficult, but once you get it going, it's actually not as bad as getting it off, so a lot more room to kind of reach up on the underside with the nut. All right guys, so once you have everything bolted back into place, you got the nuts and bolts on each side, you are done. That is it, and you are left with this giant open space that you can just, I guess know it's there, but better than I expected. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button and let me know if this video helped you out. Also, I'm going to give a huge thanks to Donovan for letting me film this video of us doing the exhaust on his Ferrari. So definitely go check out his social media. There's also going to be a link in the description down below, so definitely go check that out. But if you guys like this video, like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this for other awesome car content. He has a lot more stuff coming with his car, so definitely subscribe so you can stay tuned to see all that upcoming stuff. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.